Yeah, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So we just had every fry down to the last fry. Right there, buddy. Table number 5 service. And 52% charged. Let's see. So yeah, it is perfectly charging with the lights on and everything. I think, guys, it was the combination of possibly where I had it in my pocket here. Maybe I was hitting the wire with my elbow, maybe I hit it, or it was the conditions of bumpiness of the gravel roads, perhaps. We're not sure, but we actually are going to check. Well, Pontiac's famous for one thing is the maximum prison here, maximum security. County Livingston. Mayor is Bill Alvey. Shout out to Mr. Bill Alvey. There was a major storm here once in 1982, which put Pontiac on the map. That was because they had 19 feet of flooding. Wow. So yeah, they have really hot summers here. Out in the farm country, it gets to 102 to 108. Oh no, those were record highs. But it generally stays in the 90s here for June, July, and August. And even a proportion of September. Yeah, I mean, it just looks like, well, when you look around Pontiac, it just looks like all farms. some years of seems like everybody had a great fire around here, because even Pontiac was burned to the ground in 1870. Abraham Lincoln visited here. I just want to find out if this is where the automobile age in the American Midwest, new highways open. Yeah, so first the railroad came here. Then, when the designation of the road was changed to Route 66, but this was only a change in name. Well, the Hall of Fame is here. The Illinois Route 66 Hall of Fame is in Pontiac, Illinois. And Pontiac has always steadily grown. Recently staying the same, like 11,000 something for basically the last 40 years. %85 white, 10% black, and about 5% Latino.
Yeah, you want to change?